you say let's in Bulgarian? Let's learn it today together. Why we make a whole video about it? Because actually in Bulgarian we have three ways to say it. You can say neka, you can say nekada, and you can say just da. What's the difference? Actually, in different languages, you can translate it in a different way. But basically, these expressions, let's say, these words, they show that you have desire to do something, yeah? That you want to push someone to do another activity or that you do it together. For example, in English, we say, let's go, yeah? So what actually means let's go? You show the desire, okay, let's stand up and leave, let's go, okay? So how we say it in Bulgarian? We say, neka da trъгваме, okay? Or you can say neka trъгваме or да тръгваме. Basically, all three are used and they mean the same thing, I can say. Here it's important not to mix them, not to confuse them. What I mean is that neka да тръгваме, basically you use the first form of the verb, тръгвам, yeah? So you can also say neka да тръгнем. But what could be the difference? Here you can say neka or neka da or da with first form and with second form. The first form basically means let's be leaving, so it's a bit more of a process of an action, yeah? Neka да тръгваме. Versus if you say neka тръгнем, you're already pissed off, you already want to stand up and to leave and to go somewhere, yeah? So neka тръгнем. This is the second form of the verb, свършен вид на глагола, that basically means a short activity, something that you do like once, yeah? And here actually we can say neka купим кафе. Let's buy a coffee one time. Нека купуваме кафе всеки ден до края на живота. Let's be buying coffee every day until the rest of our lives. Okay? Here it depends on you which form of the verb you use with these constructions, with these words. Depends what you want to say. Is it a long action? Is it a short action? Okay? So, neka could say like, okay, let us do something. But for example, you can use it not only for us, you can also say, neka kupiš kafe, which could be probably a bit in a more difficult way translated into English, because neka kupiš kafe basically means let you buy coffee, but doesn't mean I let you do it, doesn't mean I allow you to do it, but it basically means, well, I want you to do it for once, okay? So I push you to do the activity for once. Here, pay attention, because the translation into English or other languages is not every time very accurate, or it's not every time very, how to say, yeah, we use it this way and it's only like this. And the translation here, you need more to feel the language, okay? For example, you can say, neka тя да тръгва. So let her go. I want her to go in a way, yeah, and we can stay, okay? So very important which of the three you use, but very important which form of the verb you use, so that you show actually to whom you want to point the activity, you want to point the action, okay? Give us your examples. Tell us what actually is difficult for you about this topic. Let's try to learn it together. If you write in the comments, we'll try to correct it, to give you feedback. So let's communicate. Tell us what other topics could be interesting for you, so that we create content about it. Follow us for more.